That first sip of coffee, smooth, creamy, and comforting. But have you ever stopped to wonder where that milk comes from? From lush green pastures to cutting-edge processing plants, every drop of milk in your cup has traveled an incredible journey of care, precision, and dedication. It starts long before the sun rises, with hardworking farmers ensuring their cows are healthy and well-fed, followed by advanced milking systems that capture the purest essence of freshness. Transported under strict quality controls, processed with precision, and finally poured into your cup, this is more than just milk. It's a story of tradition, technology, and the passion behind every sip. So the next time you enjoy your coffee, remember, your milk has a journey worth telling. Milk's journey begins in the heart of a dairy farm, where rolling green pastures and fresh morning air set the scene for a process built on care and precision. Here, farmers dedicate their lives to ensuring their cows are healthy, well-fed, and comfortable because high-quality milk starts long before it reaches the glass. From carefully balanced diets to regular health checks, every step is taken to maintain the perfect conditions for milk production. But this is more than just a job. It's a passion passed down through generations, where tradition meets modern expertise. So what really goes into producing the milk we often take for granted? The answer lies in the delicate balance of nature, nurture, and unwavering commitment. Every drop of milk begins with the dedication of farmers who carefully maintain cow health and nutrition. Each breed plays a vital role in dairy production, from Holsteins, known for their high milk yield, to Jerseys, prized for their rich, creamy milk. But beyond quantity and quality, ethical farming practices ensure cows are treated humanely, given a balanced diet, and raised in sustainable environments. Proper nutrition, regular health checkups, and stress-free conditions all contribute to producing the best milk possible. This dedication continues in the milking process, where twice a day cows are brought to the milking parlor. Using advanced automated milking machines, farmers ensure efficiency, hygiene, and comfort for the cows. Some smaller farms still practice traditional hand milking, keeping a deep-rooted connection to the process. The fresh milk is collected in sterile containers and rapidly cooled to preserve its purity and taste. But how do we go from this raw milk to something safe and delicious? The next step in the journey holds the answer. From traditional hand milking to modern automated systems, the milking process has evolved to ensure both efficiency and cow comfort. While some farms still rely on traditional methods, where farmers manually extract milk with care, most now use advanced milking machines that are faster, more hygienic, and minimize stress for the cows. But no matter the method, hygiene is a top priority. Milking equipment is thoroughly sanitized, and farmers follow strict protocols to prevent contamination. Once collected, the milk is immediately stored in temperature-controlled stainless steel tanks, where it is rapidly cooled to preserve its freshness and natural nutrients. This crucial step prevents bacterial growth and ensures that the milk stays in peak condition before transportation. But time is of the essence. Milk must remain fresh throughout its journey. Large insulated tankers soon arrive, ready to transport this farm-fresh milk to processing plants, where the next stage of its transformation begins. Milk's journey from farm to table depends on one critical factor: temperature control. From the moment it leaves the dairy farm, it is kept at a constant chilled temperature inside insulated stainless steel tankers. This refrigeration prevents bacterial growth and preserves the milk's freshness. But before reaching the processing plant, every batch must pass rigorous quality checks. Samples are tested for purity, fat content, and any signs of contamination, ensuring only the highest quality milk moves forward. Once approved, the milk enters the processing plant, where it undergoes a transformation designed for both safety and taste. This is where science meets precision. It is first filtered to remove any impurities, then pasteurized, a process that heats the milk to eliminate harmful bacteria while preserving its natural nutrients. Next, it goes through homogenization, breaking down fat molecules to create a smooth and consistent texture. These careful steps ensure that by the time milk reaches your home, it's not only safe to drink, but also fresh, nutritious, and delicious. Before milk reaches your table, it undergoes a final transformation to ensure safety, consistency, and added nutrition. Pasteurization is the first step. By rapidly heating the milk and then cooling it, harmful bacteria are eliminated. This process is a breakthrough in food safety, ensuring every sip is fresh and healthy. Next comes homogenization, where milk is carefully processed to break down fat molecules, preventing separation and giving it that smooth, creamy texture we all recognize. To enhance its nutritional value, milk is often fortified with essential vitamins like vitamin D, which helps in calcium absorption, making it even better for strong bones and overall health. Now that the milk is safe and ready, it's time for the final step: packaging and distribution. Whether in cartons, bottles, or even powdered form, milk is sealed in sterilized containers and loaded onto refrigerated trucks, ensuring it remains fresh as it makes its way to millions of consumers worldwide. The final step in milk's journey is all about getting it to you: fresh, safe, and sustainable. Once processed, milk is packaged in various forms, from classic glass bottles and recyclable cartons to lightweight plastic jugs and even eco-friendly alternatives designed to reduce waste. Many dairy brands are now investing in biodegradable packaging and reusable containers to minimize environmental impact. But packaging is just one part of the equation. Logistics play a crucial role in ensuring milk reaches stores efficiently. Refrigerated trucks transport milk to supermarkets, cafes, and homes, maintaining the cold chain to preserve freshness. Advanced distribution networks ensure quick deliveries, preventing spoilage and reducing waste. And finally, after a long journey from farm to fridge, milk finds its way to your coffee mug. Whether it's steamed for the perfect latte or poured into a creamy cappuccino, every drop carries the dedication of farmers, the precision of science, and the innovation of modern dairy production. So next time you sip your coffee, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey behind it. Milk isn't just an ingredient, it's an essential part of coffee culture. From the velvety texture of a perfectly frothed cappuccino to the delicate artistry of a latte, milk transforms coffee into an experience. Its natural sweetness balances coffee's bitterness, while its creamy texture enhances every sip. But beyond aesthetics, milk plays a crucial role in flavor, bringing richness and depth to every cup. As we look back on its journey, from lush farms and high-tech processing plants to eco-friendly packaging and global distribution, it's clear that milk is more than just a beverage. It's a story of dedication, science, and sustainability. So the next time you enjoy a creamy latte or a smooth cappuccino, take a moment to appreciate the incredible effort behind every drop. What's your favorite way to enjoy milk? Let us know in the comments below.